Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change your name in VistaCreate. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in create.vista.com and click on enter. You'll be directed to the official homepage of VistaCreate. Now, click on the profile icon, which is at the top right corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, find Account Settings option. Click on Account Settings. Make sure that you are selected to Account tab. After that, find Edit Account Details button and click on it. A new window will appear. Here, you can see your personal information. After that, click on Edit Link here. Now, select the old name and type the name you want to change. After typing your new name, you need to click on Save button. And that is how you can change your name in VistaCreate. Go to your account and reload the page. And that is how you can change your name in VistaCreate. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.